Welcome to my honest review of MoneyWiz, one of the most comprehensive personal finance apps on the market. If you're looking for a tool to manage your finances efficiently, track your expenses, and plan your budget, you'll want to stick around for this deep dive. I'll explore its features, interface, and overall user experience to help you decide if it's the right app for you. MoneyWiz is designed for both casual users and serious financial planners. The first thing you notice when you open the app is its clean, modern interface. It feels intuitive, yet it's packed with powerful features. From tracking daily expenses to syncing your bank accounts in real time, MoneyWiz makes financial management seamless. Setting up the app is straightforward. You simply input your accounts, whether checking, savings, or credit cards, and MoneyWiz automatically categorizes your transactions. One standout feature is the budgeting tool. You can create custom budgets tailored to your lifestyle, and the app updates them automatically as you spend. For those who like detailed reports, MoneyWiz offers a range of graphs and analytics that help you understand your spending habits. Another highlight is its ability to sync across multiple devices, so whether you're on your phone, tablet, or desktop, your financial data is always up to date. The app also supports multi-currency transactions, which is a game changer for travelers or those with international accounts. Security is top-notch, with features like data encryption and optional passcodes, ensuring your financial information stays safe. Additionally, MoneyWiz offers scheduled transactions and bill reminders, helping you avoid missed payments. As I navigate through the app, it's clear that MoneyWiz prioritizes user experience. You can customize the dashboard to display the information most important to you. The app's flexibility and attention to detail make it a favorite among users who need both simplicity and depth in financial management. If you're someone who struggles with budgeting or wants a clearer picture of your financial health, MoneyWiz could be a game changer. It's a tool that helps you take control of your finances, whether you're saving for a big goal or just trying to get through the month. I hope this review has given you a clear idea of what MoneyWiz has to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest reviews of top financial tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.